Each year, hurricane season brings challenges for those living in affected areas, but this year has been especially rough. As a community of artists, we know all too well that creativity can be a beacon of hope. We have chosen to come together to raise money for people who have been impacted by these catastrophic events. We've created videos for you to enjoy and art for you to bid on. Fluid Art Co has stepped up to do something very special. They've offered to sponsor the collaboration with a limited release pigment that they've named Benevolence. $5 of every jar sold will go towards the fund. Proceeds will be going to the Direct Relief Organisation. From all of us around the globe, we thank you for taking this on with us.
Hello everybody, welcome back and thank you for joining me for another video. All right, today's video is going to be a special one, and before I tell you what's so special about it, let me just tell you really quickly what colors I'm using today. So as you saw there, I'm going to be using Oxide Black by Amsterdam. Then we have Cobalt Teal by triArt. Then we've got Metallic Cobalt Blue by Artist Loft. Followed by, what do we got? Phthalo Turquoise Light by triArt. Then we've got some Iridescent Green Blue by Pebeo. And then next on the list, we've got the Turquoise Phthalo by Golden. And we've got some Interference Turquoise by triArt. And then this is the new TLP pigment I'm going to tell you guys about called Benevolence. It is a special pigment created just for this collaboration, limited time. And then this is a concoction that I made of my own of turquoise green and Amsterdam white to make that nice little Tiffany color. So this, as I mentioned, is a special collaboration with Fluid Art Co. It was put together and sponsored by Fluid Art Co. and Nate Bright Art. Thank you, Nate, for getting everyone involved and, you know, spearheading this. So as you saw in the intro, this is a collaboration and all the pieces, there's about almost 40 artists that are going to be, you know, part of this collaboration, and everyone's paintings are going to be auctioned off on November 3rd at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And the auction is going to be held on Nate Bright Art's YouTube channel. So all proceeds are, you know, from the auction, and proceeds $5 from every Benevolence TLP pigment jar. $5 from each sale is going to the organization directrelief.org. That is the charity that was chosen for this collaboration. So all proceeds are going to go there. All right, so you see me here. I've put my paints down. I'm blowing it out, and you're going to see in a minute that the TLP Benevolence, gotta love that color because it's blue, and y'all know how much I love blue, but it really took over the painting because I put so much of it down. I really wanted it to shimmer, and I really wanted that shimmer to come through, and so I put way too much on the painting, and it just really took over. And you'll see here, I mean, you're looking at it and you're like, yeah, it looks good, but you know, some more into the middle towards the right, you know, side of the painting, it just really took over. And I sat there and I pondered it for, when I tell you, quite some time. I really did ponder it for quite some time, and I just couldn't, you know, I just couldn't do it. It just wasn't perfect for me. And because this piece was going to be auctioned off, and I wanted it to be perfect, I just couldn't do it. So here I come. Yep, it doesn't happen often, but I do it. Here comes the lowly Veffy scraper, and I'm at least trying to save as much paint as I can. I just wasn't it for me. So I scraped it all up, and you are going to see me redo it. And my second attempt turned out so much better. So I was really glad I did that. Now this is a 12 by 24 inch canvas, and you'll see at the end there is a black floating frame that goes with it. So so yeah, you'll see me reflooding the canvas here, and that's about all I have to say, you guys. So check out the organization. There is going to be in the description below all the information, directrelief.org. If anyone wants to donate, again, the auction for everyone's paintings, there's probably like 35 to 40 paintings that are going to be auctioned off November 3rd, 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Nate Bright's channel. I will put all that information in the description below. You know, $5 from every TLP pigment purchased is going to be donated to the directrelief.org as well. All right, so I'm going to stop talking for now. I'm going to let you guys sit and watch the rest of this with some music, and I'll be back at the end. And there you have it, my friends. As you can see, I did a happy dance and a thumbs up dance and all kinds of dancing when that was done because I was super thrilled with how this turned out. Look at that shimmer in there. And I tell you, it dried beautifully and it got a top coat of crystal resin and that thing just pops. And of course, with a black frame around it, black floating frame, it just looks stunning. All right, everyone, I hope you enjoyed this video. Check out the description below for a playlist of all the videos coming up. Until next time, my friends, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day, have a good night, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.